Let us see how we can create a pattern on a surface. You can choose any surface of your choice. Create a pattern using either curves or solids. So if I were to take this surface and for the pattern I'm choosing these curves, it could be curves or breadths, mind you. Enter when done. This is coming very thick. So let's say I need the sections to be 0.35. Let me put the thickness also as 0.35. I can opt to change the scaling pattern as well. Let's say 1.5. I can opt for an outer edge. And observe, this is a rectangular cross section for the surface. In case you need a circular cross section, that is also available. You can play with the overlap, the pattern, the rotation, horizontal adjustment in case you want to offset it in a particular direction, and the widths. In case you want to flip it on the opposite side, that is also available. Sometimes it may not come to your liking, you can always refine it. I can play with the offset edge as well in case the edges are coming slightly on the outside. When you OK it, it becomes a poly surface, as you can see. Alternative to this, let's say I have a big back plate and I want to create any design of my choice over a back plate. So let me just hide this for the moment. So I'm saying select all, hide. So here we have a surface. I have on purpose made it non-planar. Let us go into the library's surface Jali option. I'm taking a solid, choosing the first one to begin with. Going into detailing, pattern creation, select surface, select pattern, enter. It could be a single or multiple objects. You'll find that it is sitting perfectly. In case you wanted it exactly in the middle, all you have to do is check what is the bounding box of your object. So if I were to take the bounding box right now, it's 12.8 by 14.7. So in my horizontal adjust, I'm going in for 6.4, and for vertical adjust, I'm going to go for 7.35. With this, you will find that the center one comes right in the middle. So this gives me a decent output based on the poly surface that I have created. Why did I not use a simple curve instead of this? Because in this particular case, if you can see, the distances between the design change as we go along. So in a single curve, I would have got a uniform thickness. Here I have modified the thickness of the surfaces as per my design requirements. When I say OK or bake it, you will get a good poly surface out of it.